Hi guys, welcome to my Gemstone deal channel. Today I request you that please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, share and like my video also. Today is topic about I already told you that about export import of gemstones, documentations, and where from you can buy the stones, cheap stones, and where you can sell to get high prices. There are some markets I just explained you already in Thailand, in Sri Lanka, in Hong Kong, in America, in Europe, in Russia. You can sell these stones and you can get some good profits. Now, if you want to buy some stones, to cheap stones you want to buy, some regions like Africa, you can buy from Africa cheap stones, cheap prices, good stones but cheap prices. In Pakistan also you can purchase. In Sri Lanka you can also purchase some kind of stones. In Burma, like third world countries, which countries are producing that gemstones, you can buy from there with good prices, and you can sell in everywhere in the world. There is the advanced countries like America, like Canada, Australia, and European countries. You can sell with high prices these gemstones. So if you want to go abroad, if you want to sell your stones and you want to sell in other country other than your country, then you have to move in that country where you want to sell it. Before selling, before traveling, this video is especially for caring of your gemstones, how you should care your stones, how you keep your stones along with you, and where you have to show the stones for the custom purpose, and where in the destination you have to show the custom duties and pay for that, and where in the market you have to sell and how you can sell if you are new in this business. So first of all, if you are going to prepare for other country like from Russia to Thailand, if you are going from Russia to Thailand and you want to sell something, Russian stones you want to sell in Thailand, for example, you can have your stones. For example, if you have some stones like 5 kind of stones and all are cut stones, and 5 stones you have all are rough stones, do not put together the stone rough and cut. Both stones should be separate. And every kind of stone, like if for example you have a peridot stone, you put in a box all the gemstone like peridot. Do not mix all the cutting stones together in a box, and one by one kind of stone in one box, one kind of stone you put in different box, that they do not mix up and do not scratch to each other, and they could be saved for you. And the rough stones also like that, you have to put in every stone in separate paper or separate packing, so that they could not scratch to each other. So, and while traveling, when you face the custom duties and custom officers, you have to show one by one. Do not open all the stones, all the boxes in front of custom officer. Only one box, show, get back in the box, and then second, third, fourth, one by one you have to show. That every kind of stone, when you show, you have to save it first and then show the second one and third one, fourth one, like this. And all you carefully accumulate your stones and get back in your bag. And try you have always separate bag for that stones, and all the documentations also separate along with that stones. Do not put the stones in your luggage where is the some other things you have already. You have to separate bag for especially for the gemstones and documentations. You already showed the custom officers in your country, and you already fly to other country. When you reach there, they also have a custom duty pay. It is very important, it is very necessary. Somewhere in the country it is very strict. You don't cheat, you don't have to go without custom duty paid, because if you found to cheat them, and you had to lose everything, because they can get all your stones, and you will be legal charges to face it. So keep it always in mind. Do not cross the custom officers without paying custom duty. In the destination, there is a special place you can ask, I want to declare some goods for custom purpose, and you show the custom officers as like previously, one by one every stone, and you can get paid and get a receipt for you, and you can go in the city after that where you want to live and where you want to show the stones. This is already important for you, that when you show the customers your stones, in front of your customer you have to open also one by one, not all together open, and you have to lose some your stones. That's why you always open one by one, talk about one stone, and then other, then third one, then fourth one, and then all. So if some stone or one of them or all stones the customer love and want to buy, you have to talk with after packing all the stones. Do not leave open and talking, because some persons also sometime cheating you, and they will disappear some your stones, and you cannot find after that when you come back in your room. So you have to carefully, when you go, you count your stones, and you come back, count your stones always. Always keep the separate all the stones. Do not mix up your own all stones. Not cutting stones, mix different kinds of stones, and do not mix all the rough stones that are different natures and different hardnesses. Do not put in a bag together. So these some points, these some recommendations that for you, that you will be able to secure, save, and your stones always like that, and you could be able to get good profits. Do not lose your stone, and you have a professionally deal with the stone dealers, and get some orders. Also, it is already possibilities that you can get some orders in rough and cut, and you can have your relationships between companies and you. So this is the information, I think, enough for you if you want to sell your stones in abroad and you want to get a good profits. That's it for you, all this information. Thanks a lot.